restaurant. The whole family will enjoy the legendary seafood specialties and fresh fish, succulent steaks, and other creative favorites from our chefs who've tailored a menu to complement local cuisine while introducing a hint of the exotic.
Okay, we take a video?
Yeah. Alright. So we're just going to be right in front of us. And we're good. Let's enjoy it.
Welcome to the Tower of the Americas. After our quick elevator ride to the top, you'll be taking in the best views of beautiful San Antonio. Built in 1968 as the centerpiece for the World's Fair, Tower of the Americas stands 750 feet above the sprawling Alamo City below. If you were to take the stairs up, it would be a nearly 1,000-step journey to the top. Relax and enjoy the view as we ascend skyward. Our first stop is Chart House Restaurant, serving legendary steaks and seafood as guests overlook the bustling cityscape below as the restaurant slowly rotates 360 degrees. Grab a cocktail or quick drink at Bar 601 and enjoy happy hour weekdays. Our second and final stop will be the observation deck, where breathtaking panoramic views await. Throughout the observation level, we have information identifying landmarks and telling just a few tales of Texas' colorful history. Thank you for visiting Tower of the Americas. We are so glad you're here, and we hope you enjoy your visit.
Welcome to the observation deck. It's going to be right over here towards this right side.
Not a video.
Whether you enjoyed an extraordinary meal at Chart House, a cocktail at Bar 601, or a great view from the observation deck, we hope your experience at Tower of the Americas was unforgettable. When we reach the ground, your tower experience isn't over. Check out our Skies Over Texas 4D theater experience for a high-flying adventure over the Lone Star State, or watch a few classic movies, all shown in 4D experience. Grab a quick bite or drink at the Tower Cafe, bring home a souvenir from our expansive gift shop, and be sure to visit our Build-A-Bear workshop located next to the retail gift shop. Tower of the Americas and Chart House Restaurant are operated by Landry's Inc. Be sure to try Landry's other dining destinations at the San Antonio Riverwalk. Thanks for visiting. We hope to see you again soon.
This is going to be exit right over here to the right side.